What if I told you that one day every part of your body could be replaced, every memory altered, every belief changed, and yet you would still call yourself the same person? There was once a ship in ancient Greece, a legendary vessel that belonged to the hero Theseus. It returned from impossible journeys across violent seas. Its wood carried marks from storms, battles, and time itself. To the people of Athens, it was not just a ship. It was history, a symbol of survival. For generations, the city protected it carefully. Children visited it in awe. Sailors touched its wooden sides for luck before voyages. Philosophers stood beside it, wondering about the meaning of existence itself. But time destroys everything. One year, a wooden plank near the bottom of the ship began to rot. The craftsmen removed it and replaced it with a fresh piece of wood. No one thought much about it. The ship looked exactly the same. Then another plank rotted. Then another. Years passed. The mast was replaced. The sails were replaced. The deck was replaced. Even the great wheel used to steer the vessel across the sea was eventually removed and rebuilt. Slowly, silently, piece by piece, the original ship vanished. Yet the people still called it the Ship of Theseus. One evening, a young philosopher stood staring at the vessel in the harbor. An old shipwright approached him. "You seem disturbed," the old man said. The philosopher pointed toward the ship. "Tell me something," he whispered. "If every single part of that ship has been replaced, is it still the same ship?" The old man opened his mouth to answer, but stopped, because for the first time, the question felt impossible. Weeks later, something even stranger happened. A collector who had secretly saved every old plank, every broken piece, every original part removed from the ship over the years decided to rebuild it. Carefully, patiently, using the original wood, the original materials, the original design. And finally, he finished. Now there were two ships. One ship had remained in the harbor continuously, repaired over time until nothing original remained. The other ship was built entirely from the original pieces that once belonged to Theseus himself. Both claimed to be the real ship, but only one could truly be authentic. Or could they both be? The city argued endlessly. Some believed the repaired ship was the true ship of Theseus because its existence never stopped. Its story continued through time without interruption. Others believed the rebuilt ship was the real one because it contained the actual material that Theseus once touched. Philosophers debated the question for centuries. But the terrifying part is this: the story was never really about the ship. It was about you. Your body changes constantly. Your cells die and regenerate. Your memories shift. Your personality evolves. The version of you that existed 10 years ago is already gone. Yet somehow, you still believe you are the same person. So what truly makes you you? Your body, your memories, your consciousness? Or are you simply a continuation of a story your mind keeps telling itself? Thousands of years later, the Ship of Theseus still sits quietly inside one of humanity's deepest questions. If everything about you changes, what remains?